Cabinet hardware is an essential component of virtually any home or office design. They not only allow seamless operation of your cabinet doors and drawers, but also play a vital role in enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your space. Choosing the right cabinet hardware can elevate or ruin the entire look of a room, making it an essential consideration when looking to upgrade your space. One of the most popular types of cabinet hardware is polished brass. Known for its timeless elegance and durability, polished brass hardware can transform any space, giving it a classic and refined look. In this video, we will explore the details of polished brass hardware, from its history and characteristics to its various types and uses. Polished brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, which has been around since ancient times. The first recorded use of brass dates back to the 3rd millennium BC in the Middle East, where it was used in decorative objects and tools. As the manufacturing process of brass became more sophisticated, it grew more popular and widespread. During the Renaissance era, brass became widely used for doorknobs, handles, and locks in castles and mansions. In the 1800s, the discovery of new methods of polishing brass led to a surge in its popularity, making it a preferred material for cabinet hardware. As it offered a warm glow and elegant finish, polished brass cabinet hardware became a staple in luxury homes and furniture. One of the most desirable qualities of polished brass hardware is its sturdiness and resilience. Polished brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, which makes it hard and durable. It can withstand rigorous use without suffering any dents, nicks, or scratches. Polished brass hardware is admired for its luxurious, warm, and inviting ambience that gives a timeless and classic look to any room. The gleaming surface reflects light, creating an aura of sophistication and elegance that works well in both contemporary and traditional spaces. With a broad range of finishes ranging from matte to highly polished, polished brass hardware offers multiple options to choose from to match the personality and style of any room. Whether you need a vintage touch or a contemporary design aesthetic, polished brass hardware provides versatility and flexibility to meet your needs. Polished brass hardware is relatively easy to maintain. Simple wiping with a soft, dry cloth occasionally is all it takes to keep its shine and elegance for many years. In addition, it is resistant to tarnish, corrosion, and rust, making it an excellent option for use in kitchens and bathrooms. Here is a list of types of polished brass hardware. 1. Knobs. Knobs are one of the most common types of polished brass hardware. They can either be round, square, rectangular, or even angel-shaped, and come in different sizes, making it easy to find the right style to match your cabinet doors or drawers. 2. Cup pulls. Cup pulls are another popular type of polished brass hardware. They are flat and curved pulls that are designed to be installed at the bottom of the cabinet door or drawer. Cup pulls provide a comfortable grip and easy pull capability that make them an ideal choice for kitchen cabinets. 3. Handles. Handles are a long and slender type of polished brass hardware that are attached to the length of the cabinet door or drawer. They are available in different sizes, styles, and finishes, allowing you to choose the perfect match for your cabinets. 4. Hinges. Hinges are an essential component of cabinet hardware. They allow doors to open and close with ease, keeping them securely in place when closed. Polished brass hinges can provide a stunning contrast against the wood or painted cabinet door, adding yet another layer of elegance and style. Moreover, here is a list of uses of polished brass hardware. 1. Kitchen cabinets. Polished brass hardware is a popular choice for kitchen cabinets, adding warmth and charm to the heart of the home. It can elevate the look of a kitchen significantly and complement other elements in the room, such as faucets, lighting fixtures, and appliances. 2. Bathrooms. Polished brass hardware is also used in bathrooms, where it can add a sense of luxury, glamour, and sophistication to space. Its resistance to rust and corrosive elements makes it a great fit for humid environments like bathrooms. 3. Furniture. Polished brass hardware can transform an ordinary piece of furniture into a work of art. When used on dressers, desks, or wardrobes, it can add timeless elegance and a touch of grandeur. 4. Doors. Polished brass hardware can be used on interior or exterior doors to add a classic and refined look. It can be used in contrast to other door hardware such as hinges and knobs, adding depth and visual interest. Polished brass hardware is an excellent choice for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of any space, whether it is a residential or commercial property. Its durability, beauty, and versatility make it one of the most popular cabinet hardware options. With a wide range of finishes and styles available, it is easy to find the perfect match for any space. Whether you choose to use it in your kitchen, bathroom, furniture, or doors, polished brass hardware is a practical and sophisticated option you won't regret. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.